Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on a strategy top online entrepreneurs quietly use to make more money from every customer. And this is without creating new products, working longer hours, or burning out. It's the fastest way to start building a simple sales funnel, and it is so effective, you'll kick yourself for not trying it sooner. And the pros rely on this every day, but hardly anyone talks about it until now. Hi, I'm Jillian Leslie, co-founder of MiloTree, the easiest way to sell digital products and grow your audience. And my mission is to give you the quickest, smartest strategies to make more money online. Okay, let's dive in, because once you see how this works, you'll wonder why you didn't start yesterday. What am I talking about? I'm talking about order bumps. Okay, what's an order bump? Simple. Think about the last time you added fries to your burger order. That's an order bump, selling an irresistible, complimentary product right when someone purchases the first one. Imagine your customer happily adding, $7, $9, $15 more to their order without you lifting a finger. And this is one of MiloTree's best features because it is so easy to set up. So here's how it works. On your Stripe checkout page, MiloTree inserts a related product in a little checkbox. So your customer is about to buy your main product and they see this smaller related offer right there. They tick the box and boom, they've bought both in one click. This is a no-brainer purchase. I'm sure you've seen this exact strategy used on Amazon and other big e-commerce sites to get you to buy more. Being a successful online entrepreneur is about two things. It's about understanding the big problem you solve for your customers and breaking that problem down into multiple products so your customers can go on a journey with you. Your main product solves their core need, but your order bump is a smaller related product that makes the main product even better, usually priced around say $5 to $15. Beauty of an order bump, you don't have to work any harder. You just offer more value in the moment your customer is already ready to buy. So here are some examples. Your main product could be a meal prep planner and you sell it for $27. Great. Well, your order bump could be a printable grocery list template that you sell then for $9. Here's another example. Your main product is a Pinterest traffic starter guide that you sell for $19. Okay. Your order bump is 50 viral pin templates that you sell for an additional $8. So if you could turn a $27 sale into a $36 sale in 2 seconds, why wouldn't you do this? This isn't theory. MiloTree creators use order bumps every day. So a food blogger actually sells a $19 weekly dinner plan with a $7 dessert recipe bundle, and 40% of her buyers grab it. There's another example. A homeschooling mom sells a $24 phonics guide with a $6 set of printable flashcards, and her bump converts at 38%. And most of these bump products took under an hour to make. Let's come up with your main product and your order bump right now. So open ChatGPT, the free version is fine, and paste in this prompt. You're an expert digital product strategist. I want to sell one main product and one smaller related product as an order bump. My niche is, and you're going to insert your niche. My audience's biggest problem is, and you're going to insert that problem, and you say, give me 5 ideas for the main product, and for each one, give me a smaller related digital product that can be offered as an order bump. In minutes, you'll have products you can both sell individually and bundle together for bigger sales. And in this video, I show you how to create a product fast using a simple Google Doc. Remember, if your solution is good, people don't care about the design. So let me explain how people build their digital product empires. They solve one big problem using my 6 purchasing triggers. Remember this, you want to sell products that make people money, save people time, move people toward happiness, move them away from pain, and or raise their social status. These triggers get people to buy. So you're going to break that big solution down into multiple offers, like a main product and your order bump, and ultimately upsells, which I'll be talking about in another upcoming video. But building your digital product empire is like climbing a ladder. And when each rung of that ladder is worth more, you need fewer customers to hit your income goals. To set this up in MiloTree, you do need a paid plan to offer order bumps because you need to be able to sell 2 products. Our paid plans start at $19 a month, and with them, remember, you're not just selling 2 products, you can sell unlimited products and offer unlimited order bumps. And by the way, most creators make that money back and more with the extra income they bring in. So what's your main product? What's your order bump? What is your combo? Drop it in a comment and I'll help you refine it. Subscribe for more weekly shortcuts and stay to watch my next video where I'll show you how to find the digital product that's already hidden inside your brain. And I will help get it out with one of my AI prompts.